Something insane just happened with Anthropic, and if you blink, you're going to miss the next part of it. 2 weeks ago, they dropped the most powerful AI model anyone had ever seen. 3 days later, the US government shut it down, and now there are rumors today that a brand new model is about to drop to replace it. So today, I want to break down exactly what happened, what's confirmed, what's still just a rumor, and the one lesson in all of this that matters way more than whatever name they end up giving the next model. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one game plan call and we'll give you a step-by-step roadmap so you can reach $10,000 a month and more with AI and digital products. All the links are in the description of this video. Okay, so let's start with what actually happened because this story is wild. On June the 9th, Anthropic released two new top-tier models, Fable 5 and Mythos 5. Fable 5 went out to the public and people were using it immediately for everything, vibe coding, building tools, all of it. It was genuinely one of the most capable models anyone had ever touched. Mythos 5, on the other hand, never went public. That one was locked down from day one, only available through something called Project Glasswing, which, from what's been reported, is a small group of trusted organizations, cyber defenders, that kind of thing. So you had two versions of basically the same model, one with the safety guardrails on for the public and one with the guardrails off for a select few. Then, on June the 12th, just 3 days later, Fable 5 got shut down, completely disabled. The reason given was national security. The story going around is that someone found a way to bypass Fable 5's safety restrictions, and that was serious enough that it got pulled from the entire planet within 3 days of release. Everyone using it, building with it, relying on it, just woke up one day and it was gone. This wasn't some random update getting walked back because it had a bug. This was, by most accounts, one of the most capable models on Earth at the time it launched. It didn't get pulled because it was bad. It got pulled because someone figured out how to break it, and that was enough for it to get shut down completely. You didn't do anything wrong if you were using it. You just woke up one day and the tool you were relying on wasn't there anymore. So that's what happened. Now, let's get into what's rumored to be coming next, because this is where it gets kind of crazy. Today, reports started circulating that a Claude Sonnet 5 model slug, basically a hidden internal name, showed up on a third-party platform that benchmarks AI models. That's usually a sign that a new release is close because companies often test new models through partners before they officially announce anything. Now, nobody knows exactly what this actually is yet. Some people are saying it's literally just Claude Sonnet 5, a step up from the current Sonnet model, which would still be a level below the Mythos tier. Others are saying this could actually be a more capable version of Mythos itself, maybe Mythos 5.1 or Mythos 6, just relabeled or wrapped differently to get back out to the public after what happened with Fable 5. There's also a separate report today from a different source saying that a new, more capable version of Mythos has already finished training internally. We don't know if Anthropic is going to release it under a brand new name or just keep it internal for now while they figure out how to stop the same bypass from happening again. And look, none of this is officially confirmed by Anthropic yet. There is nothing on their website. No Sonnet 5, no Mythos 5.1, no Mythos 6, no announcement, nothing. So I want to be straight with you. This is rumor territory right now, not fact. But the pattern is worth paying attention to because the exact same kind of leak happened back in February, and a few weeks later we got Sonnet 4.6. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. So here's why I actually think this matters, and it's not really about the model name at all. If you zoom out for a second, what just happened is the most capable AI model on the planet got pulled from everyone's hands in 3 days. Not because it got worse, because someone outside of Anthropic found a way to break it, and the government decided that was a national security issue. And that's the part most people are going to miss because they're going to spend the next 2 weeks arguing about whether the next one is called Sonnet 5 or Mythos 6, when the real lesson is way simpler than that. If you build your entire workflow on top of one specific model, you are exposed. You are renting that engine and it can get pulled by people who aren't you for reasons that have nothing to do with you with zero warning. That's exactly what happened to anyone who had built their entire process around Fable 5. Their tools just stopped working overnight. Not because they did anything wrong, because they were standing on one single piece of ground, and that ground got pulled out from under the entire planet at once. Now, compare that to anyone who built on a system instead of a model. Same memory, same prompts, same workflows, just a different engine plugged in underneath. The moment Fable 5 went dark, they didn't lose a single day. They just pointed the same system at the next best available model and kept moving. That's the entire difference between getting stranded and not even noticing it happened. And I know that sounds like a small distinction, but it really isn't. Think about it like this. If you build a business around one specific delivery driver instead of building a delivery system, what happens the day that one driver quits or gets fired or their license gets pulled? You're stuck. But if you build a system where any driver can step in and the orders still go out on time, you barely notice when someone leaves. AI models are exactly the same right now. The model is the driver, it's replaceable, and apparently it can get pulled by a government decision in 3 days flat. What you actually want to own is the system underneath it, the part that doesn't care which driver shows up to work that day. And honestly, this is going to keep happening. There's other major model releases expected this week from other companies too, so there's a real chance we get multiple big model drops in the same 7-day window. News like this isn't a once-a-month thing anymore. It's becoming a once-a-week thing. And apparently now it's not just companies updating models, it's governments stepping in and shutting them down too. So if you're someone who's trying to actually use AI to make money, whether that's content automation or running an online business like I do, the model you choose today is probably not going to be the model you're using in 3 months. The companies that are winning aren't the ones that found the one perfect model and bet everything on it. They're the ones that built something flexible enough to swap in whatever the best model available is at any given moment without having to rebuild everything from scratch every time a new release drops or gets pulled. A year ago, a new flagship model dropping was a genuine event, something that happened every few months. Now we're getting updates, leaked model names, and apparently government shutdowns almost every single week. If your entire setup breaks every time one of these happens, you're going to spend more time rebuilding than actually working. So what do you actually do with all of this? Number one, don't panic buy into whatever model drops next just because it's new, or rush to build something on top of a model that could disappear again the same way Fable 5 did. Wait for actual confirmation from Anthropic directly, not just a leaked slug on a benchmarking site. Number two, and this is the bigger one, stop building your business or your workflow around one single AI model. Build around a system that can plug in whatever the best model is at any given time. The model is going to keep changing, and apparently it can now get pulled overnight by forces completely outside your control. The question is whether you're set up to take advantage of every new release when it happens, or whether you're the one who gets stranded the next time a model gets pulled with zero warning. Anthropic hasn't confirmed anything officially yet. The moment they do, I'll be the first one breaking it down for you on this channel, what it actually does, what it actually costs, and whether it's worth switching to. Keep an eye out, because at the rate this space is moving, with models dropping, getting bypassed, and getting shut down, all in the same 2-week window, the next confirmation could come within days, not months. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.